Step 1. Throttle spring. Oh, tight. Yeah, held that with my foot. Throttle linkage. Kick down linkage. Oh, got it. That should not fall down. That should go into the exhaust manifold. Preheater for the choke. Since I'm becoming dumber, and I always have to go back and get the other size wrench. Can you read that? 1 inch. Right at 1 inch, it's awful loose. So what's the metric equivalent to that? Exchange that for a 15/16. And it doesn't want to go on. Damn it! $20mm. Is that something I have? 20mm. Look at that son of a gun. Go back to 21. What do we have here in the latest combination wrench? Yep, that's the size. At least it wasn't over tightened. I don't even know what I'm looking at here. Crescent wrench. Okay, let me put the camera down for a second. Shoot, it really stinks in here like gasoline. I may have to wash this motor off again. Well, we don't have any fluid coming out of it. Doesn't look as old as the car. We replace that. Ha! Didn't lose it. Number 2, and Boy, it stinks in here. Okay. We need to get that off before we go any farther. We'll look on the okay, crankcase ventilation tube. Blow test. Clear. Good to go. It's a new valve anyway. Did I say it's a new valve? It's a new valve. Just clean some gunk off. And it looks like a clean valve. What else is holding this carburetor on? Spark plug wires maybe? Oh. Okay. Number 4 saved. Oh, it's right down there amongst all that crap. Captured nut. And one loose carburetor maybe. Got to be vacuum advanced there. Gas dripping off the fuel pump. So we'll see what we can do with this. Looks like a mud dauber's nest there or something under the carburetor. It's mud daubers, yep. We'll get the vacuum and get that out. Anybody remember Monte Carlo door? Right door finished. We now have left door in the shop. Rebuild kit. It's only a carburetor. Do not be afraid, idiot. I don't tell myself I know what to do. I don't even think about what to do. I just jump in and do it, and now I'm in all kinds of trouble. But fortunately, these people put gizmos in the box. The box won't tell me what it fits.